Hey everybody, I'm Casey Silver.
My name's Dimi Macheras.
And together, we're 80% Studios. And we are here on a workshop tour, telling stories, and we are here at the Dimond Mall to unveil the very awesome Anchorage School District Cardboard District-wide project, Major Tom in Space.
Yeah, so we created this idea for the Major Tom in Space art gallery that you see before you. And it's a cardboard project where we kind of developed a system of cutting out cardboard shapes, applying paints and colors to show these different various elements, aliens, astronauts, we've got different planets, and it basically tells a sequential story of Major Tom on his journey from Earth through the solar system and all the way to Mars, and he encounters all sorts of crazy aliens and UFOs along the way.
And we will be unveiling the grand opening of this on January 22nd from 6 to 7:30 p.m. and we'll be hosting free art drawings. We're gonna have a creation station to make emojis with. We're gonna have all sorts of cool stuff to do, so bring your family, come by, see what other your kids have been doing, and enjoy some creative time with your family at the Dimond Mall.